Hey guys, Internet Dude here. Hey, just wanted to give you a quick update video, something that happened today, and I'm not real impressed with this, but I actually had my first real door handle problem, and the problem is the driver's door handle is not coming out. So when you walk up to the car, I don't actually have the key on me right now, but when you walk up to the car, the other three handles pop out, but this one doesn't. And it's making a bit of a noise. I'm gonna have to switch over here and see if I can get you, see if you can hear this noise. So I had to take my mic off, but I'll get you up close and see. There's kind of a motor noise. Well, I hope you heard that okay. I just had to take off the microphone and put this up close. But the interesting thing is the car is off. It's parked. You can see there. There's no, the key's not near, so it hasn't been unlocked. So it's kind of weird that if you actually take a look in there, you can see the LED is on and you can hear the motor inside trying to do something. So I don't know if it's trying to retract or push it out or whatever, but since the car is actually off, probably what's going to happen is that motor noise in there, I'm thinking it'll either time out after a while or it's going to burn out whatever motor's inside of there. So as I mentioned, that's the first real door handle problem I've had. So this is the 2015 85D. It's got about 73,000 kilometers and the warranty runs out at 80,000, or by time it'll be approximately 5 months from now. So I have a trick I'm going to do here, and simply involves some string and, well, scissors, because I'm just going to cut a piece of string. I got an idea from Canadian Tesla Martin, and I'm going to get this set up and then I'll show you. You know what? Let me just show you first real quick the behavior. Just make sure it's doing it. Here's the key. We'll walk up. Door handle pops out. That door handle doesn't pop out. I could hear the other ones pop out, the mirror folded. And I can still hear that noise. So I'll set up my string trick and come right back. All right, well, I got it set up. Just FYI, while the car's in the garage, I have the window down so I can just reach in, because the interior handle opens the door just fine. So here's the trick. Come on through the back here, grab the piece of string. I put a little loop in there. If you can see that okay, so I can pull, and then I have it just run out to the front. And I pull on the string, and that opens the door. It's a pretty neat workaround. I'm glad Tesla Martin had that in a video recently. So then it's in the way a little bit, but you can put it up here. You can just put it right here, get it out of your way. Yep, it's kind of a pain, but that's what we're going to have to do until I can get some service. Now, I actually have one other problem with the car, and it's the hatch. And the hatch, the power latch mechanism doesn't work, so I have to manually close and push down the hatch. You don't hear that little motor go and pull it down. So anyway, I know it's been a while since I did a video. Thought I'd give you guys a quick update. That kind of sucks, but what are you going to do? So I sent an email off to Tesla Calgary just to find out, hey, when are you going to be out this way? Because if they have a technician coming out, be good time to get it fixed, save me from driving to Calgary. Now I do have the option of paying $1,500 to have Tesla come out just to fix my door handle here in Saskatchewan because of they have a fee, like a travel fee, if they have to go more than 50 miles or 80 kilometers from the service location, like Calgary or Edmonton. So we'll see. I'm not going to pay them $1,500 just to come out to fix that because, well, I could take this or I could take another vehicle I have, but I think the string will work good enough as kind of a short-term measure. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. It'll just be kind of a quick video, and I don't know, you know, I'm kind of glad that the door handle's given me an issue here while it's still under warranty because I'm not sure what a door handle costs, but it'd be kind of inconvenient if it was out of warranty to also deal with that. But all right, well, it's actually been a couple of days since I shot the first part of this video. I just hadn't released it yet. And today I came across a good tip on the Tesla Owners Worldwide Facebook group. I think the guy's name was Bob Hill or something like that. And so I came out and tried another fix, and I like this way better. So let me show you what I did. So as we walk up, there you go, stuff popping out. So what the fix is, you know, instead of using that string, basically you get yourself some kind of plastic tool and you get in there and you get the door handle out. It was kind of tricky, you know, but I pulled the door handle out and then I simply used black duct tape. And I used a layer, kind of a ring of it, I guess, on the inside and a ring on the outside stuck to itself. Now you could tape it to the inside of the handle, but I like that this has a bit of movement and it won't leave any tape residue on the back side of the handle. And so I just tested this out, and well, just as a note here, it's still making that noise back there. It's been a couple days. You can still hear this constant motor noise, but watch this now. That opens the door. Now, obviously the door handle isn't fixed in any way, but by being able to pull the handle out like that, it must trigger a switch in there to open the door from the outside. So it's nice that the door opens, but clearly that's not any kind of repair. This is just a temporary fix. But I'm sure digging that. That's definite improvement. And the door handle itself doesn't sound quite as, well, it still doesn't sound good at all, really. Like, got a squeaking noise, like just the fact that it doesn't, oh, see, now this behavior is a little different. See how there's like it's sticking out just a bit? I don't know if you can see that, but it's moving in and out slightly. So I don't know what the root problem is in there, but it's not sounding good, it's not looking good, but the point is I got a good fix, temporary fix now. The reason for wrapping the tape inside is just so it's not sticky on your hand and doesn't leave residue. So do a couple layers of tape in there, or if you wanted, you could just use that to pull it out, and you could use your hand to do that, to open too. But I guess that's what you get when you own a Tesla Model S. So yeah. All right, well, I'll wrap it up there. Video's getting a little bit long for what it is, and I'd sure like to hear your comments below. Let me know if you had a door handle problem. What did you do? Like in my case, I can't just call Tesla service and get them here in the next, I'm probably gonna be waiting about a month, I figure, to get that fixed. You know, if you live near Tesla service, maybe they'd come out for free. Maybe they wouldn't charge you $1,500. I don't know. It's just one of those things about living in Saskatchewan and owning a Tesla. That's one of the not very good sides of it. But anyway, I'm just rambling on now. So hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.